Good morning, and today we're back on the Cotswold Way. This is leg 2, starting from Cold Ashton, going to go to Old Sodbury. It's about 9 miles, so not that long, but it's a beautiful day. It's very early February, just doing the shuttle run, so they're heading off to take the cars to the end, and then they're going to come back, and when they're back we'll head off. So this is Dereham Park, which is a National Trust property. Very nice gardens. So this is where we crossed the M4, just before Tor Martin, if you can hear me. Yeah, not the best bit of the Cotswold Way. So this is Doddington Estate. Just over there is Doddington Park. You can almost see the top of the buildings. Apparently that's where James Dyson lives in his swanky millionaire's mansion. So about a mile to go till we get to Old Sodbury. So nearly there. Here we are at the Dog Inn, which is in Old Sodbury, so it's the end of the walk. It's about 9 miles, relatively gentle on the hills. A beautiful sunny day, really lucky with that. Still snow on the ground from yesterday, but very wet and muddy, so that's slowed us down a bit. But yeah, that's leg 2 of the Cotswold Way done. We'll be doing leg 3 some point later in the year.